Hi everyone, my name is Vinay Pratap and today we will learn how to put a shot. After this span a long time in the pandemic COVID-19, the world is feeling a little bit secure because the vaccine is in the market in the progressive manner right now. So we will discuss the shot put. We will start with a little bit introduction and the specification along with the ground measurement and some throwing techniques. So shot put comes under the throwing event of athletics where the one athlete need to exercise his throwing power with heavy object. In the ancient time, the people used to throw the stone for killing the wild animals and shoot his enemy during the wars. That is how the shot put evolved from the ancient time. If we will talk about the modern Olympic, it became individual part by in 1896 for the men's category and 1948 for the women's. A little glimpse of the shot put one can see in the great poetry or the epic of Homer, it is Iliad or Odyssey. It was the early 19th century when the sport was actually started to the past of the local competitions. For about the shot it is a metallic rod, metallic bob or the spherical bob which is made up of for different needs for different areas the people use to made it for the steel, brass, iron, but in the modern era basically we use for the iron or we can call it soft iron which is shelled by steel. For the men's, the weight of shot put is 7.20 kilogram, in which we can also somebody can also ask you about the lbs weight, that is 16 lbs, and the diameter for the men's is 110 to 130 mm. For women's, its weight 4 kg and in lbs is 8.8 lbs. If we talk about the diameter for the women's is 80 millimeter to 110 millimeter. Now we will talk about the ground. Basically this is the field event in which we throw a shot, we put the shot from a circle that having the diameter of 2.135, that is inside diameter, and if we will talk about the outside diameter, it may add or plus 0.5 centimeter. After finishing the history and the little bit introduction of the shot put, now we will go for the throwing style of the shot put. There are two basic styles by which we can put the shot. First one is gliding technique, we also called it Parry O'Brien technique, and another one is rotational style. The another name of rotational style is disco put. So for today we will talk on the Parry O'Brien technique. For Parry O'Brien technique there are 6 basic phases in the Parry O'Brien technique. First one is the stance phase, second one is the seated phase, or we inculcate also the T phase in this one. Then further is the gliding phase, followed by power generation phase, and then throwing phase, or finally we will go for the inculcation is called that follow through phase. So first of all, for the stance position, in the stance we have to stand with a parting leg with the shoulder width at the back edge of the circle to which we are going to throw the shot. Suppose that we are going to throw the shot at the behind, then we will go to stand the orthodox position, means 180-degree position. So how to grip the shot? For the shot grip, there are two styles. We can hold it with the 4 fingers or with the 3 fingers. If we are holding with the 3 fingers, hold with the 3 fingers and support it with the last one. And holding for the 4 fingers, that is for the basically beginners, like this. After that, the another or the second phase is stance phase. In taking stance or placement on the neck, means like this, by putting it on the clavicle bone and having support with the neck across the execution. Before throwing the shot, we cannot displace the shot from here. And another one, second part is the T phase, making T, like this. Make a T from your right leg, and rest of body should make the 90 angle with this leg, like this. For next phase is sheeted, in which we little bit bend the left leg to just to prepare to kick for the glide, like this, like this. So this is the seated position or the seated phase. Then we do glide. We put a little jerk from here, like this. This is the glide. And from the gliding phase, this is the very important phase, that is called the power generation phase or the generation of the momentum phase. It's a very important because this phase play a vital role to throwing your shot. From here, we will move or turn our body like this, making the pivot like this in a jump, and we will throw it like this. Okay, again I would like to show you this, making T, come in seated position, then do a glide and like throw, like this. And final one is the fourth rule. Take in mind that you should be focused on the board, that is 10 centimeter out to the ground. You are not supposed to touch like this. This is the board and this is 10 centimeter above. Okay, your foot should not touch on the iron rod. Okay, now in the final phase we will talk about the rules and regulation of the shot put. Nowadays the rules and regulation for the shot put is generated by IAAF and WMA. A throw will be called foul in the following circumstances. The athlete should not push before the throwing action within the circle. The athlete is unable to commence the throw within the 60 seconds of calling his name. The athlete holds the shot below the shoulder level or outside its vertical level. The athlete is not able to make continuous contact of the shot within the neck and it slip off. If during the throw the shot touch any of the following: top end of the toe broad, upper side of the iron ring, at any position outside to the circle, the athlete goes out of the circle before landing of the shot. The athlete does not move from the rear half of the circle. The famous personality from the shot put are Adam Nelson from America, Thomas Majewoski from Poland, and Valerie Adams is from New Zealand.